Oh, that was crazy. I was just about to give up on the top water too. Huh? Huh?
Seriously, that's crazy. For now, what could we be tossing out that may be effective?
Where's my ruler? I gotta measure this guy quickly. What is this, 14? Is it 14? 14. Smacked hard, dude, too. Did you see that? Smacked it really hard. 14, 3/4, almost 15.
Wasn't running with it at all, bro.
Really?
Yeah, we were just sitting there. I was like, do I have it? I just kept on making sure. I was like, do I actually have it? Oh, yeah, it's the biggest one. Everybody leave. Everybody leave. Just leave. I was like, yes, they're all leaving. I was like, fine. Might be able to get some hits. I'm pretty sure they're just not used to that. Well, that and then. Nice job. That's probably a high two. Got it. Okay. I let that guy eat it forever.
Really? That's subtle, huh?
What?
That's subtle.
Yeah, it was so subtle. I was like, bro, is this guy gonna freaking break it? I wasn't sure. I was like, dude, he's just ripping it. Just feel and just. This is my rod. I was like, bro, this guy's just not committing.
Too subtle. Not bad.
You just gotta take it, bro. The moment you take it, freaking hook set. But that's out in like 50 feet. Same size, dude.
Oh, yeah, at least about the same. Oh, it's getting bigger, dude. It's football. Yep. That's about the same size. Be careful, be careful. Oh, that's the same size. Or at least same weight, like it's fat. Super fat.
He's got a cast on the other side of the boat.
That's good, bro. gonna need bigger, but we're hoping, man. But that bite, you're doing something right, so that's
I
good.
know. Ooh, got it good. That's a good hook. Ah. Nice. It's probably gonna be another high too. Just casting it far and just letting it sit.
Yeah, pretty much about the same weight. 2.7, 2.78, 2.79 was the last one. So. Oh, bro! I saw him. Dude. That was huge.
I still see him.
Huh?
I still see him.
He is falling.
Give me my yeah.
Ooh, he was big. You still see him?
Yeah, I still see him. He's just chilling.
No way, you're gonna do it.
He's looking at it.
No way you're gonna do it. You know what? I'm gonna stop fishing this so I can watch it.
Just bite. Oh, got it.
No way. Oh gosh. No way.
Dude, he's a good
big
one,
bro. That's a 4.
Dude.
That's definitely a 3.5 or 4, dude. No way.
Oh shit. Yo, that was so cool, bro. That was so cool.
Play with it. That's 3.5 or 4 right there.
Bro, I was like, no. I think he's just sitting there. I was like, oh, bro, I'm gonna freaking pick him up. Yeah!
Oh, it came out.
It came off?
Yeah, it came out.
Nice, dude.
Bro.
That was tight, bro. Yeah, man, that was tight, bro. Right? That was tight, dude. I saw him chasing that. I was like, bro.
Dude, I love.
Bite.
Yeah, I love how yeah, he was coming to hit your hot water, but it just got a little too close.
Yeah.
I saw him too. I was like, ooh, that's a good size right there. That's a really good
Bro, that was so tight. I've never done that in my life.
He probably didn't even care about us, dude. Honestly, if he didn't swim away like that.
It's just the fact that I was just chilling. We're just chilling, so. Oh, dude, that was so tight.
Holy cow, clutch, man.
That was tight.
Nice job, dude. It's a 3, definitely.
The moment I just saw him chilling, I was like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna get him to bite. I can get him to bite. Yes, that was tight.
Yep, 3. Okay. 3, 2, 4.
3, 2, 4, nice. That's a good one. Yeah.
Dude, oh my gosh.
Bro,
The
this might
croissant
be
sandwich,
5,
I just
bro.
turned off the camera and I caught one.
Holy
no
crap.
Look at this croissant sandwich. Look what it got me.
Dang, bro, that might be pushing a 5. This is a 4, definitely.
It
though.
tastes like the bass.
This is
Croissant
definitely a
sandwich.
4. Dude, you got them good, too. Nice, bro.
I thought it was weeds. I was like, oh, this is a nice little transition. I was like, I was just dragging it, and I thought I got stuck on weeds. I was like, and I see my line moving to the left. I was like, dude, I got one. I had to drop my sandwich.
Dude, that's a nice fish, bro. Holy
Bro, that is
crap.
crazy. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about,
That's
dude.
good. That's a good fish. Crap.
Big man. Oh, nice big.
Give me what?
Where's
The lanyard?
oh,
What?
gauge, water pressure gauge? Where'd it go? Did you see it fly off?
I don't know. I was holding on to my
What? How did it go off? Is it good? Well, that one, I didn't know that this one came off.
You should've told me that you were thinking about someone else. You're drunk in a party, or maybe it's just that your car broke down. Your phone's been off for a couple months, you're calling me now. I know you like this. When shit don't go your way, you needed me to fix it. And lie for me, I did. But I've been out of every reason. Finally, you're asking for it back. Could you tell me where'd you get the nerve? You could say you missed all that we had. But I don't really care how bad it hurts. You baby, you always told me too much about yourself.
Weighted like 16 pounds.
Boom. End of the tournament at Green Lake. We ended up with 16 pounds, something ounces. I forgot. What was it? 16 something. My big batch turned out to be a 4-pounder. So that was nice. I think it was part of the bag and the weight scale, but I don't know.
This guy right here was a
4-pounder right there.
There we go.
Big one that I caught.
So yeah, we're just gonna release these guys now. Get them back out on their way.
Yep, we're just gonna release them, pack up, get home. I damaged my boat a little bit. I'm so sad, but otherwise, yeah, we hit a huge wave over here. You know how the North Lakes are, so. Thanks for watching. It was an exciting tournament. It was fun. Slow, finessey, but it was fun. We caught quite a bit of bass today. So, thank you for watching. And then, oh yeah, so I think this is Matthew's last tournament. Update. This guy's going to Boston, making a living. So he's gonna be gone soon. So this might be his last tournament with me. So, yeah. Wish him well. Wish him luck at Boston, Massachusetts. So, yeah. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.